61A lecture number 32, announcements. These are actually Friday's announcements, and it's already Sunday, so I hope you turned in homework 8. And I hope you got started on the scheme project. Checkpoint 1 is due this Tuesday, checkpoint 2 on Friday, and the whole project is due the Tuesday before Thanksgiving. As I mentioned on Wednesday, there's a completely optional 61A project showcase on Tuesday, December 7th. That's RRR week. If you want to show off some cool project that you've been working on the side, I'm sure other students would love to take a look. And the playlist for this lecture is going to be posted just as soon as I finish these videos. Today's lecture starts a new unit in the course on declarative programming. We're going to introduce a series of different programming languages that all have a common theme. They were designed to solve particular problems. And they do it by describing the solution rather than describing the process to find the solution, which is very convenient. If you don't have to think about how to compute something, just need to describe what you want to compute, then you can save yourself a lot of time. Most of today's lecture will focus on regular expressions, which are expressions of a programming language, but a particular one that's often used in conjunction with other programming languages in order to find patterns within strings. You'll probably see this in other courses as well if you continue on in computer science or data science. It's often covered in 61B, definitely covered in Data 100, and I wouldn't be surprised if it shows up in other courses as well. That's not such a bad thing. This is such an important topic that if you see it more than once, that's good for your education. But I hope that you look at regular expressions in today's lecture from a 61A point of view. That is, not just thinking about them as a tool, but as a programming language, and thinking a little bit about how an interpreter for that programming language might work, and why the language was designed in the way that it was.